Smoky
Hi everyone,
eye.
let's create the smoky eye today. I have already created one of my eye and let's just create the other eye. So the first thing I'll be using is the Gerard Cosmetics eye primer, eye base primer. As you can see, I have already applied that and I'm just going to blend it well so there is no harsh edge. Once I do that, I'm going to apply this banana translucent powder. You can use any translucent powder as you wish. After that, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal eyeliner. You can just create a line. It doesn't have to be perfect since you are going to be blending it with a blending brush. After that, I'll be taking this dark eyeshadow color. I'll be using this Makeup Revolution London eye palette, and I'll be taking this black eyeshadow, the dark brown eyeshadow, and the light brown eyeshadow, like so. So right now I'm putting the black eyeshadow and I'm going to blend it well. Once that is blended well, I'll be using the dark brown eyeshadow, and after that I'll be using the light brown eyeshadow, like so. As you can see, I have blended all three colors together and it has to be blended well. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be using the mascara. Oh yes, and don't forget the bottom, the lower lash line as well. I'm just using the darker brown and the lighter brown eyeshadow over there. And once I have done all the eyeshadow, I'm just going to cut crease so that all the mess that I have made over there, it's cleared. Now I'll be applying the mascara, and I'm using my favorite e.l.f. mascara. This is really nice volumizing mascara. I'm going to give like 2 coats on top lash line, and on bottom I'm just going to use 1 coat. And I am done with my look. So let me know guys if you enjoyed this video and if you liked it, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks, bye.